Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert 2D image to 3D animation. If you are using Leonardo AI and maybe you are downloading lots of free images, you can use Leonardo AI and you can create images, and each and every day you will get 150 credits, that's mean token, so that you can download images. Okay, so here you can see I have already created so many images using Leonardo AI. When you want to click on generate motion video, so maybe you can't because you are using free plan. Also I am using free plan. Okay, so what can I do? Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download the free image and then how we can use it as a animation. Okay, so let's download the image over here. Okay, so I'm downloading over here. Okay, so let's download this image. Also let's jump into another tools. It's called flexclip.com. okay, and using flexclip.com you can easily convert any 2D image to 3D animation. Okay, the step is very easy and it's 100% trusted by Meta, Visa, okay, YouTube, Windows, Google, Dropbox. Easily you can create this kind of 3D images. Okay, so let's see this one. So that's amazing. If you want to create any dropshipping products or an e-commerce product, you can create very simply 3D. You can sign up with your Gmail account and you can use as a trial for free. Okay, so let's upload the images. So I'm going to upload the images that I've already downloaded from Leonardo AI. Okay, so let's open the file, your download folder, and let's upload the first image. Okay, all right guys, so it's processing now. Okay, so questions start fast with this present. Okay, so already our image already generated, here you can see, and within few seconds you will find your 3D animation. Okay, perfect. Also you can select the duration. So let's select this 8 seconds. So it's a vertical, so click on horizontal. So you can see it's a moved horizontal circle. Okay, so I think circle is perfect. You can increase intensity, duration, return, reverse. Also here you can see you can click on zoom left, or and you can select zoom. Okay, here you can see, that's amazing. Okay, also you can select the duration as well. It's time to export the 3D motion. It's depend on your need. Okay, so it's time to export. So click on export here. Here you can see 480 pixel, 180 pixel. Okay, so let's click on export. Perfect guys, so our 3D animation is exporting now. Okay, so you can use flexclip.com to generate 2D image to 3D image like this, and other AI tools where you can download it and create. So you can use flexclip. Alright guys, so if you find this video is helpful, so comment below, and if you have tried this two website you can let us know, and I will come back with new tutorials. So stay tuned, see you in the next video.